Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the previous video, we talked about how you can create spacing variables and have them stored in your library so you can reuse them in your design and not worrying about any manual work when you want to apply new changes. So I'm gonna put the link to that video in the top right corner. Also, to follow this series, you can see the playlist, and also I'm gonna link the other two video, which is about typography and color system management, down in the description. Okay, let's go ahead and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can create the corner radius actually on Figma and add it to your variables. So let's just go ahead quickly and create. It's going to be a super quick one because yeah, it's super easy because we're building the blocks of our design system, and it's very important to have it rich and complete. So it's gonna be a number. The name actually it's gonna be XS. The value is gonna be 1 pixel in case you need like really low corner radius value. The next one is gonna be small, which is gonna be 2 pixels. The next one is gonna be medium, which is gonna be 4 pixel. Remember always to like this is just yeah, you can have one, but for the next ones, remember to increment them by 2. It's recommended, and it's a good practice basically to make everything organized, and alignment wise, development wise, that's gonna be super easier, and everything is gonna be unified. Anyhow, so after medium we have LG, which is gonna be 6 pixels, and then we have X large, is going to be 8 pixels. The next one is going to be 2x large, it's going to be 12 pixels. And the next one, 3x large, that's going to be 16 pixels. Fourth one is going to be 4x large, and that's going to be I think 20, yeah. 5x large, it's gonna be 24. This is very detailed. I'm not sure if you're gonna need this, but maybe we can remove some of this. Maybe we can remove the 20, but yeah, let's have it like this. You never know, you might need it. And the last one is basically the pill. So I'm just gonna call it pill. That's going to be 9,999. So let's also group these. New group from selection, I'll call it corner radius or border radius, so depending on what you want to call it. So let's test it out. So let's create a rectangle or a square or something. So yeah, that's okay. Add a bright color so we can recognize it easier, maybe like this, or like, yeah, this one also cool. Nah. I don't like this. Yeah, blue one is okay. All right, so let's go to the corner radius here in the top right section, which, if you hover over it, it says corner radius. And now if I hit on this icon, which is the variable icon, and it shows my tokens here. Actually, you can select it, this is inside this library. If you publish it to your team, you can basically choose the libraries. And this is the spacing that we created in the previous video, and here we have the corner radius. I know it's too much. Maybe we can remove 2x large or maybe 4x large, but yeah, that's I just want to make sure that my design system has everything I need, so in future I don't need to like modify or like use manual numbers, or manual put numbers. So yeah, let's go ahead and use the 24 one. All right, as you can see, it automatically recognizes, and if you tap on it, you can see that this is a variable selected. And if I go to local variables again, and I go to corner radius, and if I edit this value, which is the 5x large, which is the 24, to anything else, maybe like 56, you can see that it automatically gets updated. So yeah, that is a huge advantage of using variables on Figma, which is gonna, of course, it's gonna be like more developed and more advanced in the future. But it's a good starting point, and I really think there's a new era with Figma that's gonna change a lot of design systems, and the UI kits, they all need to get updated. But yeah, this is a nice feature, and I'm gonna show you how like we can create design system. So I'm gonna go ahead and create the rest of the design system in future videos. Make sure to follow along. Also watch the other videos that I talked about colors, typography, and spacing. And yeah, that's it for the video. Please like. Let me know what you think on the comment below, on the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure to follow series. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers.